Alright, hello. We are at the front page of the new Nxt Vapor Wallet, which is a pretty cool thing. I'll be walking you through what it is and how to use it. So first of all, we want to download this page. Luckily, I've already done this. Put this in this tab. And this is basically the same thing, but you want to download it and keep it in only run it offline to make sure that it doesn't send any requests to any outside things that could leak your password. So just to be sure, so now that we do that, we can create a cold storage account. So this automatically sets up a passphrase for you and gives you the NXT address and public key. So what you want to do with these is you would write down your passphrase, which is this, write it down on a piece of paper, keep it safe, and then you would send any NXT you want to send to this NXT address, and that's your cold storage address. Now, if we want to make a transaction with an account, we can log in, and I think I have one in here. Yep, there we go. And these green bars are each of the words in this passphrase that it checks against the word list to make sure you don't have any typos. And this is, in fact, my NXT address, so I can log in. And the cool thing that I've added here is it allows you to transfer an asset, and you can list it by asset name, so you don't have to deal with all of those asset decimals that drive everyone crazy. With the name, it creates having multiple assets under the same name. So you need to now select which one, like gin, select which of these assets is correct. So the one with 1,562 trades is probably the right one, so I'm going to go under that one. You can always check the asset ID as well, and then you can recipient amount message, and you don't need to deal with decimals, which makes it much easier. So I'm going to send some money back to myself to show you how that works. I'll send 10 NXT, and isn't Vapor cool? So I create the transaction. If you have the NXT Today or NXT Vault Android applications, you can just scan this code and it does it automatically. I'll take these transaction bytes, copy them over, and then what you want to do is go back to your online version. Alright, broadcast, and that brings that up. We paste this in here, and it should be making a request automatically. There we go, and we get our information, so I can see the message is correct, it's sending the correct amount to the correct place, and I can broadcast. And then it says my transaction in full hash, so it was successful. There's 100 NXTs stuck in the account that I showed earlier, in case anyone wants to go find it, and good luck with Vapor. Thank you.